Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Topik Rohman. I want to the presentasi about to the International Conference Social Politik Administration and Communication Science 2024 Untak Semarang, and to the paper is Indonesia Government Policy to Respond to the National Cyber Challenge in the Era of Disruption by to the Taufik Rohman Andriansah, Doktor Program in Public Administration, PSIP Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta. Abstract: the study analysis the Indonesia government policy in responding to the challenge of national cyber in the area disruption, regulation and of Indonesia, namely Law Number 19/2016 concerning information and electronic transaction or ITI. 2. Government Regulation or PP, Peraturan Pemerintahan Number 53 years 1916 concerning national cybersecurity policy. And there are 5 cyber attack threat, namely number 1, WannaCry, number 2, distribute denial of service, DDoS, government website, hacking of government social media account 2019, spread of malware via phishing email, and 5 ransomware attack by private companies. And qualitative research methodology with the descriptive approach locus in Indonesia National Cyber Jakarta. Result number 1, the condition of the Indonesia government national cyber is open with user spread widely, and 2, resulting in Indonesia national cyber needing to increase its existence in accordance with development in information and communication technology or ICT. Indonesia national cyber security strategy saw 5 strategy steps. Number 1, building network infrastructure. Number 2, inviting investor to invest. Number 3, conducting training to improve human research. Number 4, implementing international operation. And number 5, building public awareness opinion. And number 6, implementing innovation and research development. And then introduction. The country of Indonesia with the population maybe 2,700 people, and according to the Association of Indonesia Internet Service Provider IPGII, the number of Indonesia internet user in 1924 will be maybe 2,100, which is a very large number for to the large country in the era of disruption 4G and society 5G, which experience various problems regarding national cyber attack. And 5 major global and national cyber attack have been recorded, which have left internet use paralyzed and helpless. Namely, first, WannaCry attack maybe to the month May 2017, and this attack was global because it attacked almost 1,500 countries, including in Indonesia. The WannaCry cyber ransomware attack May 2017 caused disruption to hospital companies. It's more than 115 countries, including in Indonesia. And methodology research. This research used the qualitative method with the descriptive analyze approach. Qualitative research in which the data is expressed in verbal form and analyzed with using techniques the go to into the file to obtain actual information in the file. Research focus in qualitative methods from to the Kusuma and Hairon Mustamil 2010, and which was research to see the extent to which attitude and politic analysis were planned and implemented and were able to explain national cybersecurity in Indonesia, with a research focus and national cyber information which to the currently being promoted by the Indonesia government. The rating of the research is also focused on threats and the impact that ultimately become a challenge that must be resolved by the Indonesia National Cyber Agency, which give rise to factor and national cyber security vulnerability. Hasan 2010. And result and discussion. Number 1, overcoming national cyber attack. To conceptualize cybersecurity and develop protection policy, it is necessary to divide the cyber world into categories where vulnerabilities are more likely to occur. For to the Santoso 2023. One possibility is to analyze the cyber world at multi-level, each level showing different level of cyber infrastructure disruption. The consequence of the cyber incident and the appropriate response mechanism are very different at the global, regional, and nation-state level than at the level of society structure, economy sector of individuals. But although these levels are closely connected in cyberspace, and each effect response system need to be addressed simultaneously. For to the Romulus and Hartati 2020. Overcoming from to the national cyber attack in the table 1, maybe you see form of Indonesian national cyber attack in 2021, number of attack in 2021 in Indonesia, state crypto and cyber agency in 2022. Based on the data obtained in Indonesia, there were maybe 16 billion or more, precisely 1,637 billion cyber attack that occurred throughout Indonesia. Most anomaly categories: malware, Trojan horse activity, and intelligence gathering, or gathering information to look for security vulnerabilities. By the 2021, at least maybe for 15 and 62% of traffic anomalies will be dominated by the Mailbot botnet. In addition to the Mailbot botnet, several anomalies in the top 10 anomaly category also include link to other botnets such as zero access and discover using stock agent into the attack. For to the Rahmawati 2019. Okay, in conclusion paper, maybe I 3 conclusion. Number 1, factor of the vulnerability to the national cyber threat. Number 2, step to the overcoming national cyber attack can simple be done by avoiding various type of national cyber attack. And number 3, people who use the internet and social media also need to be educated so that they can filter information and so that people can assess the truth of information. So in this case, the government needs to create a body to counter propaganda so that the people are not influenced by propaganda which in as enemy of the state. Okay, thank you. Maybe that is the presentation to the International Conference Social Politic Administration and Communication Science 2024 UNTAD Semarang. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.